what it do, boo? Welcome to BossUp Tarot. I'm Boss Lady P, here to bring you your messages from spirit guides and angels. Okay? All right. Sorry for my absence, everybody. Mercury retrograde has been definitely doing its thing over here. Okay? So we're going to start off with a general read for Leo. So this is a general read for fire sign Leo, which is a fixed sign, July 22nd through August 22nd, okay? Y'all already know this is my favorite part. So, favorable colors for Leo, gold, yellow, and orange. Favorable day, Sunday. I love me some Sundays. I am a fellow Leo, okay? Lucky numbers, 1, 3, 10, 19, okay? Favorable partner, Aquarius and Gemini. Get you some. Okay, let's jump off with the Starseed deck. First one out is Nourishment, Body Care. Hold up. I just wanted to share something, right? So I've been doing some traveling through Mercury retrograde, and my cousin made this great little creation called the bougie stick, okay? So check this out. Let's see how we can get this on here, because I'm all about networking and promoting people. The bougie stick. Just like that. So we have water your garden, okay? So nourishment, body care, tenderness, and rest, okay? Let's see what else. I just had to bougie stick. I will be displaying these because I think these are cool. So I'm going to help promote that right there, the bougie stick. Made by Carolyn, okay? Hey, Carolyn. All right, we got Well and Orchid Elders. Karmic Relations. All right, Leo, somebody's trying to make their way back, or somebody's trying to make a departure from a connection already. Feeling your vibes. Okay? And I do vibe with music as well. So I've also added that because I'm like, listen, you gotta spice it up sometimes around here. And I really am a person that loves music. So, you know what? This is my channel. And I just figured I'm gonna just start doing what I really want to do. And I do encourage all my viewers to be you, but be a better you every day that you can. Okay, Leo? Let's jump into it. Before we jump into our Witch Tarot, I'm gonna use the other bougie stick. I love red. I love butterflies. So this was a special edition, okay? So let's get it popping with our bougie stick. We got Well and Orchid Elders. So share your frequency of sound, deep diving, okay? So some of my fellow Leos may also be in tune with music, love music, some have some type of talent in the music industry. Whatever gets you going and gets you up and vibing and grooving for today, Spirit encourages you to do so. And we are June 9th, so this is our general read for June. Also, if these messages is already resonating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification button, okay? Karmic relationships, okay? Auric energy, polarity, soul growth, and conflict, okay? So some somebody out there is definitely need to do some releasing of some past relationships or current relationships, dealing with karmic relationships, okay? Maybe forgiving someone. Cosmic Heart. Beautiful card, okay? Beautiful card. Devotion, potency, make your life a moving prayer. Okay, you know. And we got the portal. Okay, the portal. And I find it like, yeah, it might take me a little bit more time to get the cards on the bougie stick, but at the same time, it works because you're able to see the card much better. Okay? So here we are. Doors are opening. You decide. Rewards. Wild cards. Okay, so that was our messages from our Starseed deck. Let's jump into it. Leo. Somebody's definitely focusing on their money already with the, Seven of Pentacles. At the bottom, Ace of Wands. So somebody's trying to manifest some money. Okay, let's take a look, Leo. Again, if these messages are resonating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. These messages may not resonate with everyone, but if they do, use them, okay? Because we're all about bossing up around here, okay? First out the deck, Queen of Cups. So, Leo, emotions running high. Honey, baby. Let's get... Eight of Cups, what I say, emotions running high. Somebody is walking away from something, okay? Let's get some more messages from our spirit guides and angels. That was quick. Page of Pentacles out, okay? Somebody looks like they possibly are going towards a opportunity or on a journey to discover who they are. Going to school possibly. So you could be leaving this emotional situation to walk towards and gain more understanding about how you can make your money. And then we got Judgment on the board. So somebody's definitely been doing some reflecting. Okay, somebody could be dealing with the judicial system. Woo! But I'm getting, this is about some money. Big money. Ace of Pentacles down. All right, Leo. Come on. Shit. What you talking about? With the Temperance, this is justice. Okay, this is balance. So whatever this is, or this, look, Eight of Pentacles. This could possibly be regarding a new job, a business that you're working on, a project that you're working on. I definitely get the money vibe here, okay? If it ain't nothing else, somebody has big ambitions here. Okay, Leo? I know that's right. Let's clarify the Queen of Cups here. Okay, let's get some more answers. Yeah, you're bouncing back with the Three of Swords. Okay, this could be regarding you moving on from a heartbreak, a situation that no longer served you with the Three of Swords, because you got Ten of Swords at the bottom. So this brought a lot of hurt and pain, okay? And like I said, this could be regarding a job, a business. Maybe some of you, I'm sorry, fuck it, listen. Okay? I understand the passion here. Check this out, Leo. Great things are coming for you, baby. Great things are coming for you. That stagnant energy that Three of Swords left you in, but you had clarity while you stood still. You had clarity while you stood still, okay? You did. And it caused you to walk away. Whatever it was. This could have been a relationship. This could have been friends. This could have been things you used to do that you're deciding to change and better for your future. Let's clarify this Eight of Cups. Ooh wee. Listen. I just want to be nosy. We got quite a bit of cards here, but can we just tap in real quick? So this could be regarding a love connection. Okay. Man, this was a fight. This was a journey. This was a new cycle. Something you walked away. But you have the victory. You received victory over this, okay? With the sun at the bottom of the deck. But let's try this again, okay? Well, hell, the Chariot came out again. So none of this shit really matters because at the end of the motherfucking day, Leo, victory was yours. Whatever it is that caused you so much pain, you made it out, okay? That's that karmic relationship, I feel like. That's just me. If you can relate, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check the description box down below for ways you can help support BossUp Tarot, because we definitely want to be able to reach out and save as many lives as we can and educate everyone, because there's options out here on how to deal with life. And if this is what resonates with you, Spirit encourages you and welcomes you here at BossUp Tarot, okay? Out with the Two of Wands, clarifying this victory. You had two options, but whatever you chose, it was for the best. Coming out with the Page of Pentacles, let's clarify this Page of Pentacles, okay? Well, damn. I'm going to take all three, okay? So we got the Moon here. Let me get my bougie stick. Y'all had got me excited for a second, Leo. Y'all know how we get juiced. Don't play. Okay, the Moon, Major Arcana. Clarifying the Page of Pentacles. So something you discovered was a betrayal, or something was hidden, or with this new moon, it's just like you're walking towards new beginnings. With this new moon, you've realized the deceitful things about yourself. Let me go there, Leo. You know, sometimes we don't like to be talked to a certain motherfucking way, but who other than a Leo than to talk to another Leo like this? Okay, don't play with me, Leo. Yes, I'm rubbing. Listen, the Moon, okay? Maybe you were being deceitful to yourself, but you got the Page of Wands. That's definitely fire energy, okay? So stepping back into your power, though, whatever it was, it gave you the energy to gain your momentum. The King of Cups. So, we definitely got the Queen of Cups and the King of Cups down on the board. Take the message how it resonates. Cross watchers, I feel your presence. Okay? If you fucked over this Leo and they walked away from you, you were doing too much and the person is just really hurt. Okay? So, do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Or Leo, if this is you towards someone else, do what you have to do, okay? But this is the end of a cycle, most definitely with the Judgment, Eight of Pentacles. But like I said, if this is regarding a job and a career, you are definitely stepping your game up. That's for sure, Leo, okay? And we got the King of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. So Pentacles everywhere. Let it rain. Page of Swords, clarifying that Eight of Pentacles. So it's like you're fighting, though. You're fighting. You're on this journey and you are on this ride and you're not going to give up, okay? Okay? Ace of Pentacles. Lord, with the Hermit at the bottom of the deck. So whatever this is that got you to this Ace of Pentacles, it took you some time, Leo. It took you some time and you are there. Spirit says you are there. Let's clarify this Ace of Pentacles. I know that's right. Tower moment, changes, cycles, okay? There could have been a disruption in your money. Let's clarify this Tower. Let's get more from Spirit. Clarify the Tower. Uh-oh. Like I said, 2 of Cups. New offers. That Tower is a change. Sometimes we feel like the Tower is all hell done broke loose. Sometimes when change happens, all hell breaks loose, Leo. We already know. Whoever let the lion out the goddamn cage, that's on you. But hello, new offers, 2 of Cups. Thinking about this, baby. I know that's right. Let's see. Let's clarify this 2 of Cups. I'm nosy, just like you are. Okay, somebody could be defensive against a connection with the 7 of Swords. 4 of Cups, disappointed about a connection. And that's what caused you to walk away. Ace of Wands at the bottom of the deck. Like, listen, motherfucker. Okay? Yes, I talk shit on here. This is not a channel for children. I do advise you. So please, I hope you're of age if you're viewing this. And we got the Knight of Swords clarifying temperance. So somebody's coming in with some swift energy, okay? This could be regarding a past connection, a connection you walked away due to this emotional disruption to focus on your 9 of Pentacles. Maybe they left to focus on their 9 of Pentacles. Place yourself where you belong. All right, let's... Oh, they thought they was going to end the reading with the Alpha and the Omega? Oh, hell no. Listen. Somebody's coming in, Leo, with some swift energy. They're coming towards you, Leo, and Spirit encourages you to have strength, whatever this was. It left you 8 of Swords. It left you feeling stuck. So I'm feeling like I don't need to tell you the rest of this. It's your choice, but you in your bag. And I would not be trying to go back. Look, the Hierophant. I wouldn't be trying to go back to no shit that tripped you in the first fucking place. Okay, once you get up. Ooh, shut it up, Johnny. Listen, once you boss the fuck up and walk the fuck away and move the fuck on, focus on you, shit began to happen for you. Take a risk on you. I said take a risk on you. And it just keep going, just like that. Like, listen, I feel like they just want some of what you got. But you know how that go, Leo. If this message is resonating with you, please like, share, and subscribe, okay? Let's get some messages from our goddesses because this is definitely a lit-ass motherfucking reading. They played they motherfucking self. It's what the fuck happened here. And somebody bossed up and somebody's in their power, okay? Don't look back, Leo. Thank you, spirit guides and angels. Thinking. 31. I got this card as well, Leo. I'm just saying. Y'all hear what's playing? shadows of your smile will always remain. Transformation, like I said. Somebody ended some shit and began some good shit. And listen, Linda. And somebody missing that good shit, Leo. Let's get one more card. You will be mine. You know, I ain't no singer, but you and only you. I love me some music. As I live. Romance! I'm just saying, Leo. Ow! Somebody out there looking real nice. And somebody looking and liking, Leo. Okay. By Valentine, you might be wrapped up in a bow, honey. Woo! I feel a major connection going on here. If this is regarding business, it is going nice and good for you. If this is regarding a relationship, a new love, it is going to blossom here. It might have been a start, groove, and move, but it's going to take off because they got their eye on you with Venus in your chart. Okay, we got thinking 31, transformation 10, romance 33. So all of those numbers may be significant to you, Leo, at this time. Maybe this is a first love. Ooh! This is maybe a first love, Leo. They want to come back, baby. You be mine, and I'll chill you. Yay! The fiery climax. Hold up, bougie stick. Okay. A fiery climax approaches. Full moon in Aries. Woo! That's that fire. Oh my gosh. Red flags, Leo. Nothing will come of this situation. Honey, didn't I say don't look back? Hey, void of course moon. Lord, Lord, Lord. Believe in the impossible. Blue moon, Leo. Something is significant about the blue moon. This is some shit. I'm liking this, Leo. You know, y'all season is approaching. And as it's approaching, y'all are definitely lit. That's for sure, okay? So let's get some butterfly out. Actually, I want to wait for this. Let's pull some romance angels because I feel like somebody got some spicy coming towards them. This guy is in love. Woo! Not that jealousy, baby. Woo! He said, you can have it all, baby. Hey. I like Jodeci, y'all. All right, romance angels, what's up for our Leos? Wait for it, Leo. I know you like, I hear that growling. Calm down, hold on. Whoop. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's put these in order. Hold on. Spirit giving it to me, y'all. Hold on. y'all already know. It says romance angels say children. Okay, so this situation could be regarding a karmic situation or relationship. You may have children with this person, okay, Leo? Your love life is being affected by your children. Or maybe some childhood issues, okay, that's causing some codependency issues. Or maybe those children are the reason why you or the other person is codependent. Okay, so somebody definitely has codependency issues. Addictions are affecting your romance life. So check yourself, Leo, okay? If you having some codependent issues, do some shadow work, okay? Because that's going to help what you got coming forward to blossom. Why? You deserve love. Who doesn't? Leo, Spirit says you definitely deserve love at this time. You are lovable. So we're going to take that with a touche. Very soon, Leo. Like I said, I feel somebody coming, entering in your energy. Clarity. Decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Like I said, somebody is trying to manifest something here. And all of these issues are the reason why you've been having this issue manifesting, Leo. So someone is probably still wondering why love hasn't approached yet. Patience, Leo. You know, we have a struggle with patience every now and then. And while you are waiting, work on self. Discover self. Work out your codependency and get your children together so that when this significant other approaches, it's takeoff time, okay? Because look, honeymoon. So some of you could be traveling, going on a honeymoon if you're just married or getting ready to be married, or maybe you're planning for a honeymoon. This is looking great. Enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. So some of you may already be currently in this new phase with this person, and it feels like a honeymoon phase, okay? Let's get somebody fiending for you, Leo. They can't leave you alone, baby. So choices. Let's get some advices from Spirit while we talking about choices. What did I tell you? I can't make this shit up, baby. Okay, Leo, I don't know what the fuck happened, but there was a major break, so we're gonna redo the ending of y'all. I don't know what the fuck happened. I swear to God, I don't. But back to what I was saying. We was pulling our butterfly, okay? Because somebody is trying to interrupt here. We're not gonna let that happen. Like I said, don't look back, Leo. We got 16. Companionship, okay? Some new love, some passion is coming. Major connections on the board. So somebody's definitely out here networking. But like I said, patience, young Leo. 13. Namaste. It says peace be still. Okay, Leo. Somebody definitely was trying to interrupt our vibe here, but not gonna happen. Try again, okay? So also from our spiritual as fuck deck, we pulled loving is its own reward. Ooh, Leo, you're somebody's little secret, but check this out, honey. The very act of loving is the benefit of the risk. We all want to be loved back. We all want to be supported. But when you grow up, you see that it has nothing to do with how the person who receives your love reacts, and all about you just being willing to open your heart in this dangerous world. Be a gangster and love the fuck out of somebody today, okay? Expect nothing in return, Leo. And that was our messages from Spiritual as Fuck. I love that deck. Keep it real with yourself. Well, that is your general read for June, Leo. If this message resonated, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Also, cross watchers, don't be scared. We welcome everyone to join this journey. I'm Boss Lady P. Was here to bring you your messages. Also, check the description box down below and hit that notification bell. Till next time, Leo, stay lit.